Look at all those little guys. I love their markings. They're so cute.
Yeah. Here, I'll hold one up at a time so you can see them.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Look at the markings. They're so
yeah.
sweet.
There's another one white with little spots. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
And another one.
Oh, look at the little faces. She's such a good mama. Yes, she is.
And then this one is going to look like her.
Oh, so pretty.
And then this one is going to
Little
look
magic.
like a little magic, kind of.
Yeah.
You
Oh.
see?
He's got brown on his chops, though, too.
Huh?
He's got brown on his face.
Does he have a brown on his face?
He has these little cheeks.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's so cute. Mickey's such a good girl.